grade 1. Welcome back to our grade 1 English e-learning. This is our lesson for week 3 of April 2021. Let's start. We are now on lesson 2. So turn your student book to page 73. Get your student book and turn to page 73. We are now on lesson 2, grammar. Still, we are on unit 9 and the title of our unit is lunchtime. In lesson 1, we've learned words. So this time, we are going to learn the grammar. For grammar, we are going to focus on learning I have and I don't have. Let's start. Again, turn your student book to page 73. Look at the Let's Learn box. This is Tim. Yes, this is Tim. And what does Tim have on his table? What's on his table? 2 sandwiches. Yes, so let's read this one. I have 2 sandwiches. I have 2 sandwiches. Okay, that's I have. Now let's move to our next picture. This is Rosie. Look at Rosie. Okay, let's read the sentence in the box. I don't have my lunchbox. I don't have my lunchbox. Rosie doesn't have her lunchbox inside her bag. So that's why it's I don't have. I don't have. Here, Tim has 2 sandwiches. So we use I have. I have 2 sandwiches. And here, Rosie doesn't have a lunchbox. So we use I don't have my lunchbox. Let's look at the third picture. Look at the third picture. What does the girl have? The girl has apple. Yes. So let's read the words or the sentence in the box. I have an apple. I have an apple. Here we have the word an. We use an if the next word begins with a vowel. Again, we use an if the next word begins with a vowel. Apple begins with letter A. A is a vowel. So we use the word an. I have an apple. Look at this one. Here we have the short form and the long form. The short form and the long form. Don't have and do not have are the same. Don't have and do not have are the same. Here we just use the short form. Here, this one is in the long form. So let's do some exercises. Let's review first. Later, you will see some pictures with check and X marks, okay? So if you see the check mark, that means it's I have, okay? Or if you see the X mark, that means I don't have. In your homework, you can see the check mark and the X mark on the pictures. So you have to remember, if you see the check mark on your homework in the picture, that means I have. If you see the X mark on the picture, that means I don't have. So let's start. Let's practice writing I have and I don't have. Now get your board and marker. Let's do some exercise. Okay, if you are ready, number 1 is given as an example. Here we have the X mark. Okay, we have the X mark. A drink. A drink. You have to choose between I have and I don't have. So you write your answer on your board. For example, number 1, look at the boy. Okay, did you see the X mark? That means the answer here is I don't have. So you write I don't have. I don't have a drink. Now let's do number 2. Okay, get your markers and board ready. Let's do some exercise. Let's answer number 2. Write on your board I have and or I don't have. Look at number 2. A lunchbox. Look at the girl. A lunchbox. Is it I have or I don't have? Write your answer. Okay, let's check. A lunchbox. I have or I don't have? The correct answer here is I have. I have a lunchbox. I have a lunchbox or I have a lunchbox. Let's move to number 3. Number 3, look at the picture. A sandwich. A sandwich. Is it I have or I don't have? A sandwich. Is it I have or I don't have? Write your answer. Okay, let's check. The correct answer here is I don't have. Yes, I don't have a sandwich. Let's move to number 4. Number 4. Number 4, look at the picture. A banana. A banana. Is it I have or I don't have? Write the answer on your board. The correct answer here is I have. Yes, I have a banana. Let's move to number 5. Number 5, look at the picture. 2 drinks. 2 drinks. Is it I have or I don't have? 2 drinks. I have or I don't have. Write the answer on your board. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's check. The correct answer is I have. I have 2 drinks. Let's move to number 6. Number 6, look at the picture. An apple. An apple. Is it I have or I don't have? Write your answer. All right, let's check. The correct answer is I don't have. Yes, look at the picture. It has an X mark. That means I don't have. I don't have an apple. So our lesson 2 ends here. That's all for I have and I don't have. All right? So for your exercise, further practice, get your student book and turn to page 73. Answer or do your exercise in workbook on your workbook page 73. All right, that's all for our lesson for grammar. That's all for grammar. See you on our next lesson video. That would be lesson 3. Okay, so goodbye everyone and thank you for watching.